start a new point, groups and electronic configuration. In last lecture we see the modern periodic law and Mendeleev periodic law and modern periodic table means full periodic table means total 118 element which place fixed in this periodic table. Periodic table means building formation. So building formation has four block. Four block means S block, P block, D block and A block. So next we discuss groups and electronic configuration. So means vertical column generally means we know that vertical column is group and horizontal rows means this is a period. This is a period. So vertical column. So first group, second group, next in D block 3 to 12, 3 to 12 and next in P block 13 to 18. 13 to 80. So total group is 1 to 18 up to first to last 18 group element. Next period horizontal rows means 1 to 7 like this, 1 for hydrogen and 7 for francium. So it is similar for S block, P block, D block and A block. And A block position at the bottom of periodic table. A block position at the bottom of periodic table. But in 10th standard you have studied the only first 20 element and properties means few properties are studied in this topic. So what is group means first group is hydrogen family, second is means first group is also known as alkali metal, second group is also known as alkaline earth metal. And P block means 17 group is known as halogen family and 18 group is known as noble gases. It is non-reactive and it is also called as zero group element. So in last lecture we discussed about the valency and valence electron. Valency and valence electron. So what is valency? Valency means number of chemical bond formed by an atom. The number of chemical bond formed by an atom. And valence electron. So simply we say that outermost valence electron, outermost shell, valence, outermost shell of electron, outermost shell of electron. So outermost valence shell of electron is known as valence electron. Means outermost shell means large shell. Outermost shell means large shell of any atom. So it is known as valence electron. So it is different concept of valency and valence electron. So last lecture we discussed about general electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? So electronic configuration means distribution of electron in different shell. Distribution of electron in different shell. So groups and electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means distribution of electron in different shell. For group first, electronic configuration. So general electronic configuration NS1. In last lecture we studied NS1. For group 2 NS2 and next this is S block element. This is S block element means alkali group metal and alkaline earth metal. Next in P block. In P block. So in boron family means 13 groups. So this is NS2 NP1 NS2 NP1. But in your standard this is means total. These formula are not studied. So total electronic configuration means simply we say that hydrogen, number of atomic atomic number is 1. So number of electron also same is 1. So in first group element valence is 1. In first group element valence is 1. In second group element, all element in second group have same valency. So it is NS2 means number of electron 2. Outermost valence electron is 2. So number of valence electron 2. So valence is 2. So valence is increases 1 to 4. Valence is increases 1 to 4 and again decreases with 4 to 1 and again decreases with 4 to 1. So discuss means what is this? So first is 13 group element NS2 and P1. So last outermost shell is valence electron is 3 means NS2 and P1. So adding of this S shell and P shell electron means 2 plus 1 3 electron. Next NS2 and P2. So total S subshell and P subshell 2 plus 2 4. So valence electron outermost shell electron is 4. So valency of boron is 3. Valency of boron is 3 and valency of carbon is 4. So we first discuss about a valence electron and then check out what is valency of particular element or particular group. So valence electron for group first is 1. Valence electron for group second is 2. Next P group element valence electron for group 13 is 3. For group 14 is 4. For group 15 is 5. For group 16 is 6. For group 17 is 7 and for group 18 is 8. This is a valence electron. This is a valence electron, not a valency. This is a valence electron, not a valency. So I hope you understand what is valence electron. Valence electron means last shell of electron, means outermost shell of electron. For first shell is 1. For second shell is last outermost shell electron is 2. So particular group of this element means, for example, hydrogen 1 atomic number, so number of electron 1, and this is means valence electron is 1. So this is similar for lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. But period change. So last outermost shell is 1 1 1 1 for group first. For group second last outermost shell is 2 2 2 2 2. But according to period means with the help of period, last electronic configuration means this is for 1s1, this is for 2s1, this is 3s1, 4s1, 5s1, 6s1 and 7s1. So in your standard simply electronic configuration with the help of this number means 281, 282 and last 288 of argon. So what is mean by electronic configuration? Electronic configuration means distribution of electron in differential. So let me discuss means, for example, sodium. So sodium structure of atom. Means this is first nucleus. This is first nucleus. So in this nucleus presenting proton plus neutron. Nucleus presenting proton plus neutron present in nucleus. And this is first shell. This is first shell K. This is L shell. So in first shell capacity is 2 shell. So electron is Na means sodium atom. Atomic number 11 means electronic configuration. Atomic number 11. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 2 plus 8, 10. 2 plus 8, 10. Sorry. This is sodium. 2 plus 8, 10 plus 1. So sodium is total number of electron 281 means 11 electron. So first shell means K shell capacity only 2 electron. So this represent according means electron E minus or dot. According to electron E minus or dot. So we represent as E minus or dot. So this is first E minus means 1 electron, and this is second E minus means 2 electron in K shell. Next 8 electron in L shell. So this is first electron, this is second electron, this is third, this is fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and 8. So this is 8 electron, total 8 electron. Means position of this 8 electron in L shell. In L shell. Next remaining 1 electron means outermost shell of electron. This is known as valence electron. So this is in third shell. In third shell. So third shell is M shell. So M shell have only 1 electron. M shell have only 1 electron. So this 1 electron means valence electron. So this is actual means structure of atom. Proton plus neutron present in nucleus and electron revolve around the nucleus. But as we go down the group, means first is hydrogen. So hydrogen 1 electron, so it shift in only first shell means K shell. But as we go down the group means second period. So lithium is 3, but K shell only capacity 2. Like, and 1 electron, remaining 1 electron participate in L shell. But comparative with group first, third element means sodium. So first shell is 2, next 8, and again 1 shell increases as we increase down the group, means down the period. As we increase the period, so increase the number of shell. Increase the number of shell. But as we go left to right, means S2P block, left to right. For example, boron. For example, next boron atom. So this is boron, atomic number 5, and electronic configuration 2, 3. Electronic configuration is 2 and 3. So what is structure of boron? So this is first proton plus neutron means nucleus. This is first shell K shell and this is second shell L shell. So in K shell only 2 electron, means this is E minus 2, means 2 electron participate in K shell and remaining 3 electron participate in this L shell. So outermost shell means this is the 3, means valence electron. So as we go down from left to right in periodic table, number of shell not increases, but electron increases only 1. 1 electron increases as we go, means left to right in periodic table. Only 1 electron increases, means for example lithium 1 electron, beryllium 1 electron increase, means last number of electron is 2. As we go, means P block element, so S block element beryllium is only 2 electron, but 1 electron increase in last shell, so boron is 3. 1 electron in 14 number group, so it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 1 electron, but number of shell not added in this side. Means for example, we consider as neon. So neon atomic number is 10, electronic configuration 2 and 8. Electronic configuration 2 and 8. So this is structure of neon. This is first proton plus neutron. This is first shell K shell. This is second shell L shell. So K shell only 2 electron participate and remaining 8 electron participate in L shell. So structure like this. So as we logically we say that as we increase in top to bottom, so new shell is added. New shell is added. But as we go down, means as we go left to right in periodic table. As we go left to right in periodic table, number of shell is not added, but electron is increased by only 1. Number of shell is not added. Electron is increased number by only 1. So this 1 electron participate in second shell. This 1 electron participate in second shell for period second. For period second. Means as we say that as we go down the group, so number of period increases, so number of shell also increases. But as we go down, means as we go left to right in periodic table, only one electron is increased and this electron is fitted in same shape. This electron fitted in same shape. So next we discuss valency. So what is valency? Means in group first. So in group first, hydrogen is first upward element, means lightest element. In second period, second, number of element first lithium, beryllium, boron, next carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Means according to second period. Means second period element is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. And next third period, element is sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon in third period. So second period electronic configuration, first lithium is 2,1, beryllium is 2,2, boron 2,3, means only one electron is increases as we go down left to right, but according to structure of atom, this electronic configuration means only one electron. So how many number of shell? Only K and L shell. Only 2 shell are participate in second period. Only 2 shell are participate in second period. But as we increases, as we go down the group, means second to third period. So for example, means sodium 281. So new shell is added. So K, L, M shell. So third period element is participate only 3 shells, means K, L, M. Participate only 3 shell, means K, L, M. As we increases, means fourth period. So number of 4 shell are increases, means 4 la. In 4 shell, means K, L, M and 4 shell participate N shell. As we 5, so K, L, M, N and O shell. Next 6, K, L, M, N, O, P and last 7th la K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. As we increases down the group, so number of shell also increases. But as we increase, means only one number of electron, means in periodic table, as we down means left to right. As we go left to right, only one electron increases, but this electron are fitted in same shape. So for second period, K and L shall participate, and third period K, L, M 3 shall participate. For fourth period 4 shall participate. For fifth 5 shall participate. For 6 shall participate, and for 7 shall participate in this group or period. But next, what is valency? Means number of chemical bond formed by an atom. Means simple definition, combining capacity of an atom. So it is called as valency. So valency is different. For first group means alkali metal. So valence electron is 1. So next valency also same. Valence electron is 1. So valency also same. Valency means number of chemical bond formed by an atom. So outermost shell electron 1. So valency also same. For this group first element means hydrogen valency 1. So cesium also valency 1. Potassium also valency of 1. Means particular group. Also means for group first valency is 1. For group second valency also same, means valency is 2. But as we go left to right in p block element, boron also same valency. same valency. So boron valency also same, means outermost shell of electron 3. So valency of boron is 3. But carbon also same, 4 valence electron. So valency also 4. But in nitrogen to neon, again decreases valency, means nitrogen 5. According to law of octet. According to law of octet means this electron are fitted, means last outermost shell electron only 8 electron, according to only 8 electron. Last outermost shell means last shell. Only 8 electron participate in last shell according to law of octet. This is important note. Only 8 electron are participate in last shell. Last means outermost shell. According to law of octet. According to law of octet. According to law of octet. Means for example potassium. For example potassium. So potassium is atomic number 2, 3, sodium 19. Sodium 19 and potassium total number of electron 2 plus 8 10. 10 plus 8 18 and potassium atomic number is 90. Potassium atomic number is 90. Potassium atomic number represented by symbol Z. Represented by symbol Z. So Z is equal to 90. And what is structure of atom for this potassium? So this is nucleus, means proton plus neutron. This is first shell, this is L shell, and next is third shell, means L shell. Third shell means L shell. So third shell M shell. So first 2 electron, means this is electronic configuration 2 8 8 1. 2 8 8 1. So first shell capacity only 2 electrons, so it will only 2 electron in K shell. Next L shell only 8 electron. In L shell only 8 electron. But M shell capacity according to equation 2n square. So M 2n square according to M shell. N is equal to 3. So 3 square is 9. 2 into 3 square 9. So 18 electron capacity. 18 electron capacity. But according to law of octet, last outermost shell only fill 8 electron for stable configuration. According to law of octet, last shell only fill or only participate 8 electron for the stable electronic configuration. So third shell fill only 8 electron. And last outermost shell has 1 electron according to law of octet. Means लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेट क्या कहता है? लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेट ये कहता है कि जो भी लास्ट शेल होगी उसमें 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन ही होने चाहिए. स्टेबल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करने के लिए कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन होने चाहिए? 8 ही इलेक्ट्रॉन कंपल्सरी है. सो नेक्स्ट वी से दैट in second period, first lithium, next beryllium, next boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and last is neon. So in valence electron For first shell only valence electron 1. For second shell valence electron means outermost shell, last shell electron is 2. For boron is 3, carbon is 4, nitrogen is 5. Oxygen is 6, fluorine is 7 and neon is 8. It is a valence electron means outermost shell electron. But valency means number of chemical bond by an atom. So according to law of octet we say that valency is first group element is 1, second group element also same, so it is 2, third group element means 13 group element also same 3, 14 group element also same 4. But as we go down means as we go left to right, so valency increases 1 to 4 and again decreases 4 to 0, again decreases 4 to 0. So how to calculate means number of valency for next group means group nitrogen 15 group element. So 15 group according to law of octet only last shell fill up on in with the help of 8 electron means last shell मध्ये किती इलेक्ट्रॉन असला पाहिजे 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो लास्ट शेल 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो नायट्रोजन. सो व्हॅलेन्सी मीन्स नंबर ऑफ केमिकल बॉन्ड किती फॉर्म होणार आहे जास्तीत जास्त 4. 4 पेक्षा जास्त कधी नसतात म्हणून हायेस्ट व्हॅलेन्सी किती असणार आहे 4. नेक्स्ट according to law of octet we say that 8 minus 5 which is equal to 3. So nitrogen group means 15 group element. All group means all of element in group 15. All element in group 15 has same valency means 3 valency. Means nitrogen has formed 3 bond. Similar as phosphorus has bond form only 3. Phosphorus has bond form only 3 bond form. Next oxygen. So 8 minus 6 which is equal to 2. Next for next 17 group means halogen family. 8 minus 7 which is equal to 1. Next 8 minus 7 means 1. Next 0 group or noble group element. 8 minus 8 means valency of this element is 0. So valence electron is different and valency is different. Valency means combining capacity of atom. Combining capacity of atom means number of chemical bond formed by an atom. Number of chemical bond formed by an atom. So valency for group first. For group first valency is 1. Means for hydrogen valency is 1. Lithium valency is 1. And last group of element is francium. So francium also valency is 1. But in group second. Group second valency is 2. So group second element also same means group second element also same valency for group 2. So last group barium and radium also valency is 2. Next group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 means valency increases 1 to 4 and again decreases 4 to 0. So carbon family means 14 group element is valency is 4. Nitrogen 15 group element valency is 3 means octet minus 5. 5 means last outermost shell electron means valence electron. So 8 minus 5 is 3 and 8 minus 6. 16 group element valency is 2. 17 group valency is 1 and 18 group valency is 0. 18 group valency is 0. Valence means number of chemical bond. Means for oxygen bond, oxygen element or oxygen molecule only 2 bond form. Next fluorine molecule only 1 bond form and 0 group element or noble group no bond are formed. Means this is non-reactive. This is no chemical reaction. Means this element 0 group element or noble gases are not participate in chemical reaction. This is non-reactive. So it is also called as inner group element or 0 group element or noble gas element. Next element, first element hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon up to calcium. So how to write electronic configuration and valency? So first group is 1. So outermost shell only 1. Number of electron, atomic number which is always equal to number of electron. So 1. Helium 2. So electronic configuration 2. Lithium atomic number is 3. Lithium atomic number is 3. So electronic configuration we written as first shell is 2 electron and last shell is 1 electron. Next, beryllium atomic number is 4. Beryllium atomic number is 4. So first shell participate 2 electron and outermost shell electron means 2 electron participate in second shell. Next, boron 5. So first shell participate in means 2 electron participate in first shell and remaining 3 electron participate in second shell. Next, carbon 6 atomic number, so number of electrons 6. So next 2 and 4 electron. Second shell participate in 4 electron. So next 7. So 2, 5. Next similar as oxygen 2, 6 means 6 plus 2 8 electron. Next fluorine 9. So neon 10, sodium 11, magnesium 12, aluminium 13 and silicon 14. So fluorine 2. Next fluorine 7, neon 2, 8. According to law of octet, outermost shell of electron means last shell में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन कंपल्सरी है? Only 8 electron. So next sodium. So sodium in third period. So first shell is 2 electron, second shell is 8 electron and remaining 1 electron participate in third shell. Next magnesium 12 electrons. So electronic configuration 2, 8 and remaining 2 electron participate in last shell. Next 2, 8, 2, 2, 8, 3. Sorry, 2 plus 8, 10. Sorry, in aluminium 2, 8, 3 and for silicon 2, 8, 4 means this electron which is equal to atomic number. So 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So 14 is number of electrons. So number of electron which is always equal to atomic number. Next, phosphorus atomic number is 15, sulfur 16, chlorine 17, argon 18, potassium 19 and calcium 20. So electronic configuration 2 in first shell, second shell, 8 shell and remaining 5 electron participate in third shell. Then next sulfur. So 2, 8, 6 means total 16 electron. Next chlorine 2, 8, 7. Next argon 2, 8, 8 and potassium 2, 8, 8 means 2 plus 8, 10 plus 8, 18 and remaining 1 electron. Next third shell and last calcium 2, 8, 8, 2 means 2 plus 8, 10 and 2 plus 8, 10 means 10 plus 10, 20. So 20 electron means which is equal to atomic number. So how to remember this valency? So hydrogen valency is 1. First group element valency, outermost shell, so valency also same means for hydrogen atom valency is 1. But helium according to law of octet तो समझ में आ गया, लेकिन लॉ ऑफ डबलेट मीन्स डबलेट भी होता है 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन और 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन विच इज स्टेबल. सो हेलियम 2, सो इट इज प्लस मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या होती है वैलेंसी प्लस करते हैं मीन्स रिमूव आउट इलेक्ट्रॉन करते और माइनस करते हैं मीन्स गेन करते. प्लस मीन्स रिमूव आउट इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड माइनस मीन्स गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन. So in your standard this is not concept in your standard. So only remember valency of hydrogen is 2 but valency of helium is 0 group element. Valency of helium is last group element means 18 group. So valency octet minus octet means 8 minus 8 2 means this is helium small atomic number. So also this helium is shift in 18 group element. So valency is 0 means 2 minus 2 is 0. हेलियमची पोझिशन कुठे होती लास्ट ग्रुप मध्ये होती. मग लास्ट ग्रुप काय होती वॅलेन्सी 8 मायनस 8 0 होती. पण ह्याचा ॲटॉमिक नंबर कमी आहे म्हणून आपण काय करणार पहिला काय होता डबलेट होता नंतर ऑक्टेट होता. पण डबलेट काय झाला 2 मायनस 2 मग आपण काय करणार 0 म्हणजे 18 ग्रुपची वॅलेन्सी किती होती 0. हा लोअर ॲटॉमिक नंबर आहे पण त्याच ग्रुप मध्ये 18 ग्रुप मध्येच. नेक्स्ट थर्ड ग्रुप outermost shell electron 1 valency is 1. Valency is 1. Outermost shell electron 2. So valency is 2. Next outermost shell electron 3. So valency is 3. Outermost shell electron is 4. So valency is 4. Next, we say that valency means number of chemical bond formed by an atom. Valency increases 1 to 4, but again decreases 4 to 0. Again decreases 4 to 0. So 8 minus 5. Valency is 3. म्हणजे ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट करायला किती इलेक्ट्रॉन कमी आहेत इथे? ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट आहे का इथपर्यंत नाहीये. म्हणजे एवढे इलेक्ट्रॉन कमी आहेत म्हणजे आता इथे किती झाले 5. मग आपण काय करणार 8 minus 5 मीन्स किती इलेक्ट्रॉन लागणार 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन घ्यायला म्हणजे व्हॅलेन्सी किती झाली 3. नेक्स्ट किती झाला 8 minus 6 2. सो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. नेक्स्ट 8 minus 7 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. अगेन noble gases or zero group element. So valency is 0. So simply we remember that valency increases 1 to 4 and again decreases 4 to 0. Again decreases 4 to 0. Again increases means 1, 2, 3, 4. Similar. Again means last 5. 8 minus 5. So 4. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 8 is 0. Means it is noble gases element or 0. So valency is 0. Next, potassium is first group element, outermost shell 1. So 1 and 2. So it is logically remember that electronic configuration valence. कसं लक्षात ठेवणार लॉजिकली मीन्स फर्स्ट काय होता आपला डबलेट अँड ऑक्टेट. लास्ट शेल मध्ये डबलेट आणि ऑक्टेट असेल तरच ते काय असतात स्टेबल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन. मग इथे आपण 2 minus 2 केलं हा 0 आला म्हणजे एवढे 1 to 4 पर्यंत आपण इन्क्रीज करत जायचं. आणि नेक्स्ट काय होतं 8 minus 4 ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट करायला किती इलेक्ट्रॉन कमी आहे तेवढे आपण काय करायचे तेवढे इथून द्यायला स्टार्ट करायचे. पहिले लास्ट शेलचे इलेक्ट्रॉन जेवढे आहेत ते लिहून घ्यायचे. म्हणजे फर्स्ट किती आहे 1 आहे तो 1, 2 आहे तो 2, 3 आहे तो 3, 4 आहे तो 4 and again 8 minus 5 means valency increases 1 to 4 and then again decreases. So 8 minus 5 is 3, 8 minus 6 is 2, 8 minus 7 is 1 and 8 minus 8 is 0 and again increases 1 to 4 and again decreases 4 to 0. So this is your valency concept. The chemical reactivity of element is determined by number of valence electron is determined by number of valence electron. Valence electron means last shell means outermost shell and its shell number of the valence shell means this shell is called as valence shell, outermost shell, valence electron. So this shell is called as valence shell and the information of this point is obtained from position of element. For example sodium. Electronic configuration 281. So valence electron is 1. Means valence shell is only 1. So sodium means position of sodium in periodic table. So how to identify? So last number of electron 1 है. So this 1 electron means valence electron valence की किसकी 1 है फर्स्ट ग्रुप की 1 है. तो इसकी पोजीशन कहाँ पे ग्रुप फर्स्ट में. इसकी पोजीशन कहाँ पे ग्रुप फर्स्ट में. म्हणजे जितकी व्हॅलेन्सी लास्ट आउटरमोस्ट शेल व्हॅलेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन जेवढे असतात म्हणजे लास्ट शेल मध्ये मग तिथं त्यावरून आपण काय करतो डिसाइड त्यांची पोझिशन कुठे आहे पिरियडिक टेबल मध्ये. आता इथे किती आहेत 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन आहेत म्हणजे मग कोणत्या ग्रुपची व्हॅलेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन किंवा व्हॅलेन्सी 1 आहे मीन्स व्हॅलेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन किती आहे कोणत्या ग्रुपची 1 आहे फर्स्ट ग्रुपची म्हणजे हा कुठल्या ग्रुप मध्ये असणार आहे फर्स्ट ग्रुप मध्ये. आता नेक्स्ट आपण एक्झाम्पल बघितलं की क्लोरीन 7 म्हणजे ह्याचा आपण व्हॅलेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन किती आहे 7 आहेत. व्हॅलेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन मीन्स व्हॅलेन्स शेल आहे. मग ह्याची पोझिशन आपण पिरियडिक टेबल मध्ये लक्षात कशी ठेवणार म्हणजे 7 आहे मग 7 ग्रुप मीन्स 7 ग्रुप मग कसे लक्षात ठेवणार आपण 7. व्हॅलेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन कोणत्या ग्रुपचं 7 आहे 17 ग्रुपचं 7 आहे. 17 ग्रुपचं व्हॅलेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन किती आहे 7 आहे. मग क्लोरीनची पोझिशन कुठे आहे 17 ग्रुप मध्ये. क्लोरीनची पोझिशन कुठे आहे 17 ग्रुप मध्ये. आपण लास्ट चार्ट जो लक्षात केलेला ना की व्हॅलेन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन कुठल्याचे किती आहेत म्हणजे फर्स्ट कसं झालं फर्स्ट आपण घेतला होता फर्स्ट ग्रुप इलेमेंट हा किती सेकंड ग्रुप इलेमेंट. मग फर्स्ट कोणता होता हायड्रोजन सेकंड लिथियम. इथे काय होता बेरिलियम आणि मग आपण काय केलं लेफ्ट टू राईट डायरेक्टली वी गो from S to P block means boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. So it is means Roman letter first two, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, seven, eight. Roman letter also indicated. But in whole number we say that means first group, second group and it is 13 group. It is 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 group. So valence electron 1, 2, but 13 is 3, 14 is 4, 15 is 5, 16 is 6, 17 is 7 and 18 is 8 electron. So how to identify position of electron? For example, aluminium. Aluminium electronic configuration 282. So outermost electron, this is called as valence electron. So means which group valence electron is 2. So second group valence electron 2. So aluminium placed in second group. 283 means 283. Aluminium atomic number is 13. So 283 means 2 plus 8 10. 10 plus 3 13. So outermost electron is 3. Valence electron is 3. So 3 valence electron. Which group valence electron is 3? So 13 group valence electron is 3. So aluminium placed in 13 group or Roman letter it indicated as 3. So this is placed in 13 group element. So on the basis of valence electron and electronic configuration, identify the position of periodic table element. Identify the position of periodic table element. So we say that this is modern periodic table has proved useful for the study of element. This is modern periodic table is useful for the study of element. I hope you understand all this concept, and if you have any queries, so ask me in group. Thank you.